If you think that the only way that you can store emergency drinking water is in a 55-gallon barrel like this, and you don't have the space or the means to do it, today I'm going to share with you an option that you can get started doing right now. You just got to get prepared. My goal with emergency drinking water is to store 1 gallon of water per person per day for 2 weeks. So that would be 14 gallons of water for each person that I'm prepping for. Some of the water I store in small bottles because it's easy. I like to keep 5 gallons for each person that I'm prepping for. If you'd like to see a video on how I put this part of the system together, I'll leave a link at the end of this video for you to check that out. So if we have 5 gallons here, that means that we need 9 more gallons to reach our goal of 14. And the easiest way that I could find to make that happen was at the grocery store. You probably have something similar to this wherever you live. All you have to do is just pick up 2 of these 5-gallon containers per person and bring them home. One nice thing about this system is that it really works with your budget. If you can only afford 1 a week, then that's what you do. You just do what works best for you. When you get home, you're going to need to find a place to keep these. I would suggest that you keep them out of direct sunlight and also some place that they won't freeze. Possibly a closet, a pantry, or in your garage. This little plan helps us reach and exceed our 14 gallons per person goal. We have 5 gallons of our easy water, and we've got 10 gallons of this simple long-term storage water. If you found this information helpful, I'd like to invite you to share it with your family and friends to help them get prepared also. Once again, I'd like to thank you for your time, and may God bless you as you prepare every needful thing. Thank you.